Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're shifting gears from traditional beauty to something we all rely on every day, oral care. How often do you think about the tools you use to keep your smile fresh? For most of us, brushing is a basic routine, but the quality of your toothbrush can make a huge difference. So let's dive into the Oral-B Pro Limited Electric Toothbrush and see if it really lived to its reputation as the toothbrush that dentists trust worldwide. First off, the Oral-B Pro Limited Electric Toothbrush promises to deliver a deeper clean between your teeth. With the Floss Action replacement brush head, you're getting that extra cleaning power that targets plaque between your teeth, a feature that's especially great for anyone who struggles with tight spaces or sensitive gums. It comes with a convenient 2-minute timer, which is essential for ensuring you've brushed long enough to get that full dentist-recommended clean. Now, when I first tried it, I was impressed by how comfortable the handle felt. It's ergonomically designed, making it easy to maneuver around your mouth. The brush itself is lightweight, yet it feels sturdy and well-made. For someone who's used to manual brushing, it didn't take long to notice a difference in how clean my teeth felt, especially after using the daily clean mode. The bristles of the Floss Action head are soft, yet effective. It's a gentle clean that still manages to remove plaque, and I didn't feel any discomfort even around my gum line. The electric motion makes a noticeable difference compared to manual brushing, giving you a more thorough cleaning experience. Now let's talk about the cons. While the toothbrush performs well, the brush head is a bit on the larger side, which might be tricky for people with smaller mouths or those who prefer a more precise angle when brushing. Also, while the 2-minute timer is a nice touch, some people might find it a bit too long, especially if they're in a rush. But for those who are trying to develop better brushing habits, it's a good reminder to give every quadrant of your mouth proper attention. In terms of value for money, this toothbrush definitely offers solid performance for the price. Considering it comes with the charger and a replacement brush head, it's a great entry-level electric toothbrush. If you're used to basic manual brushes, upgrading to this model will definitely change your perspective on oral care. The 2-minute timer and Floss Action head are standout features. But if you're looking for more advanced options with multiple settings or smart features, you may need to look at higher-end models. So, how does it compare to other electric toothbrushes? In the same price range, I'd say the Oral-B Pro Limited competes well, especially in terms of delivering a quality clean with added features like the timer and flossing action. Some premium models may offer extra modes for whitening or gum care, but for a basic effective clean, this one does its job perfectly. In terms of build quality, the toothbrush is well constructed with durable materials. The battery life is solid, and while it isn't rechargeable for weeks on end, it lasts long enough to ensure you don't need to worry about frequent charging. Plus, the travel-friendly design makes it easy to pack for trips without compromising on your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I didn't have to reach out during my review, but Oral-B has a solid reputation for customer support. So if you do run into any issues, you're likely to receive helpful and timely assistance. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely more budget-friendly options, but they may lack the extra features that the Oral-B Pro Limited offers, like the timer or the advanced brush head. Some lower-priced electric toothbrushes may not have the same plaque removal power or durability. To sum it up, the Oral-B Pro Limited Electric Toothbrush is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their oral care routine. It's not packed with extra features, but it delivers on its promises. The bristles are effective, the 2-minute timer is a useful addition, and it's built to last. If you're seeking a simple, affordable way to maintain great oral hygiene, this toothbrush is a strong contender. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.